Alright, so I think this is actually the part 2 of upgrading Windows to Windows 1.0 to Windows 11. So I found it out because this actually the this one. So you can't actually upgrade to 32-bit to 64-bit. So instead, we should use a keep files only. So keeping files only, which means that is using keep the files but not the applications. So that's kind of fortunate upon upgrading. So yup, that's only the disadvantages, but yeah, it's alright. Let's upgrade to Windows 8.1 using the Windows 8.1 ISO image, then upgrade to 64-bit version. So let's do it. So voiceover. So I tried different ISO, but it didn't work because we cannot validate the product key. So did you know from my part 1 video, I actually upgraded to Windows 8.1, but it actually fails. So I don't know really why, but maybe the RAM is only the problem, because the RAM has been filled up and then the Windows system requirements for the x86 is over 1 gigabyte. So if we try changing the RAM, so we made a cheat a little bit, because this is we changed the RAM so to make it completely upgrade. So without further ado, let's change the RAM and let's see could be this installation being successful. Okay, so as you can see, we got the successfully installed Windows 8.1. So I cheated the RAM a bit to 2 gigabytes so that it could be a success installed. So this is might be the best upgrade I've ever seen. So yeah, so don't worry, we just upgraded the components to 2 gigabytes. So that we can actually continue the upgrade. But anyway, let's get see what should be installed in Windows 8. So by using the Windows 10 upgrade here, so I hope this actually works. This is 32-bit. We should install the 1507 first, because yep, to make the upgrade to be successful, we should install 1507. And most of the application is actually working. So we did versus still launch successfully. Yep, there we go. It's two instances of programs. But this might actually work, because this is the Windows 8. Windows 8 here is so we're running at single core, and I don't think this Windows 10 setup does actually work. So by the way, I forgot to mention that this is Windows 8. Yeah, we're upgrading to Windows 10. So checking your computer. Yep, getting a few things ready. And the product key is the most famous part. So license terms, making sure you're ready to install. Be sure why, because this is the mostest part. I'm actually doing this. So I hope this is successful in its installation. By the way, Metro apps no longer works. Yeah, but it's so frustrating when you use Metro apps in Windows 8. But I don't care. This is very frustrating video. Why keep the personal files and applications? Be sure you're ready to upgrade. So let's get into now. Click install, and I'll be right back until Windows 10 is successfully installed. Alright, as you can see, the resolution is not actually white, but let's see. I can actually, nope, it's not. How am I get interact with this thing? Alright, there you go. The berry took longer because this might be the whole installation just got it to be. And hey, it's, let me adjust my resolution. But I don't know, this managed to work. But new apps in Windows, finalizing your settings, and let's see gonna be happen. So I'll be right back now to win. So, well, yeah. Alright, it just successfully installed Windows 10. So maybe the drivers, has been deleted automatically, which only upscaled me to this resolution. So yeah. Alright, so let's see this actually do it so well. So first of all, let's check in the start menu. So we got some shutter applications. They're gonna go find such up many things. We got the application, the calendar. Alright, so okay, the OneDrive's not working. And check this out, we got OneDrive on Windows 10. That's so, oh my god, so slow. How am I gonna install the drivers first before anything? I couldn't install the driver because the installation will fail. I don't know why. But anyway, so well, yeah, it's so I can literally run the card file. But what about the other application? CVT Paint. Yep, it's still working, kind of good. But let's say some applications actually working. Here's the transfer. So we kept the Windows upgrade here. So I'm gonna adjust a bit of Windows Explorer so that we can actually see this Windows sound is still the same. I don't know why, but we kept the command.exe. They actually went to command, but some files still there. Now let's see the other files. As you can see, ABC is still working, but yeah, MS-DOS, and check this out, it's still working, but the paint isn't working. But yep, Vivosi, and yeah, check this out, it's still working. The clock application, yep, the window position still there upon the upgrade. But the CD player, which is launched media player for some reason. And yep, that's the actually transferred. Alright, so I think this is the setup. We probably can actually match up windows now because I don't think actually you can actually match each window. But anyway, let's get to installation. Let's launch the installation assistant, and let's see could it be possible to run Windows 10 22H2. And yep, there we go. So checking for updates. One of the best features of Windows 10, the latest version is 22H2. So click update now. Let's see. Alright, CPU is okay, memory is okay, this space is okay. So click next, and wait until the download completes. So I'll be back until the download completes. So, alright, so we just upgraded to Windows 10 22H2. So first thing you notice is the background is pure black, and the second thing, the briefcase is a folder now. It's not There's a folder now with no any clipcase icon, but you can see the icons are actually removed actually, but I don't know what is this thing. And oh, this is the Microsoft Edge, the older version of Microsoft Edge on the taskbar, but honestly even care the most intuitive taskbar. Alright, so this thing is very slow because we're on 2 gigabytes of RAM compared to the RTM release of Windows 10. It is very smooth. So let's see what are in this on the applications now. This could be actually saved. So first thing you notice is the yep. So we can check on the Windows accessories tab. Let's see the calendar actually works. It's loading and yep, there we go, it's calendar. So that's fully functional, I think. So what about, let's check the Windows Explorer, let's see some programs are actually running at all, because as you can see the partition name is still there. And let's see, oh, just scan this folder here. So that's pretty good so far. So let's see the Windows folder right here. Let's check by this one. We got the CBT paint here, so let's see this actually work. And yep, it's fully functional. Let's go. This is fully functional, but I don't know, maybe it could be the RAM. Paint still no longer one. There's not enough memory to run paint. Unless it could be launchable in this state. Let's see this happening now. Wait, the paint is one differently. So okay, oh there we go. Not enough memory to run paint. That's so no. That's so is bad. MS DOS application. And yep, MS DOS executed, it's still working. So yeah, we can actually use it. MS DOS executed tool today. Vivosi, and yeah, that's still working. It actually works in Windows 10, so you can actually play it, but I don't know, is that the drivers, the clock application. And I don't know if say kept the same spot, but anyway. The okay, some of the backgrounds are still there. The CD player, however, it opens the Windows Media Player. These are Windows 2000. I release Windows 2009, 2004, which is on Windows XP and Vista, but anyway. And that's the files has been kept. On the pictures folder, we can see the old pictures of Windows 2000 ME, but yeah, the documents folder, we got the drivers or just transferred and then such things, but yeah, everything is transferred to the newer version of Windows. Okay, so I managed to install the latest version of Windows 10 64-bit, but I couldn't upgrade, so because when I upgraded to the 32-bit to 64-bit, it will not transfer all the files, so mostly running application will not run. So instead, we should upgrade to Windows 11 and then risk it. So, but I try to risk it to Windows 11, but only upgrading to Windows 11. So I need to actually clean install, and once I clean install, the system requirements are very bad, because this is the hardest one. While tweaking the settings, I couldn't make the Windows 11 new system requirements even further, so I might end this video. So that's the end of this video. So I will gonna say goodbye to this video, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.